Hi guys, and welcome on my new video. Today I want to show you room in San Francisco, in on Broadway. Should be quite nice hotel. Broadway. Ah, this is on Broadway. Okay, this hotel is on Broadway. Okay. (2201) Broadway. That's the underground parking lot. Entrance. That's the reception room. Some sweets and ice dispenser. And a ground parking lot with 4 floors. Now we're gonna take an elevator for the 4th floor. Okay, looks a little bit strange with all of these colors. Stairs, roof. Yeah. Ground parking lot. San Francisco view. Some kind of church. Yeah, that's it. My room is 403. Okay, so this is our room. It's quite nice, renovated, with TV, microwave, fridge, iron, some nice lamps with USB ports on every side. This is the second one bed. Yeah, another USB, another light. And that's it. The rooms are very nice, good size. So this is our bathroom. It's very nice, renovated with LED lights. Everything is actually new. Nice shower. Yeah, towels. What else? Hair dryer. And that's it. Nothing interesting here. So this is how the double bed room looks like. It's quite big for four-person family. Yeah, with a closet, nothing left. Iron, no desk. Bathroom. Yeah, quite good standard. Nothing left. Okay, we are actually leaving now. So yeah, this is it. And that's the view from the 4th floor. Looks like small Alcatraz. There is a street view. Wow. Exit this way.